Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can find your project URL key in Supabase. So before starting, make sure that your Supabase project is active so all settings load properly. And the first thing that you will do once you're on your Supabase is go to the project section and then click the project that you want to work with. And just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just have to scroll down a little until you see View API Settings or project settings, and then what you will have to do is just click this. And now as you can see, here's our project URL key, and what you will have to do is basically just copy it. If you copy the URL and use it inside your application's connection settings if needed. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.